I've misguided myself. It's been a couple of years back. It's all about my life. See, I was scared they had their own reason for the situation, and I'm here looking for the reason who and why I fought for you. Was damn serious about it. Hell yeah. Don't have the guts to stand on mine. It's my own mistake. What is it has to do? Oh, lose control. Was displayed. Was all my deep toe. And don't hear the things. I love to be with you, but now look at me. I'm hopeless. Seems to be heartless. What can I say? You don't get the ease. Sense to clear my soul. Louis sense and simplicity beats my soul. There's a reason why they went wrong. But hey, see me when I'm gone, huh? You know, it's part of my life.